Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. I am working on a new design, and this is just a draft. I have to start all over because the yarn turned out to be bulky. So it is like, this is like a heavy 3-weight yarn that I have started. It's done in pieces, and what you do is you crochet. This can be knit too, so I'm not at the knit part yet. The only reason I'm doing crochet is it's fun and it goes fast, but unfortunately uses up lots of yarn. So I already used up, I believe, six of this 50 gram of yarn that I had in my stash. It's called the Mission. Come on. They don't make these anymore. It's made in Canada. It's 100% cotton. But I did find a similar yarn, so I'm going to start with that yarn. Made in Canada. That's what I love about, you know, when you see that nowadays. Anyways, I'm not going to go into politics. So I just dropped the package yesterday, and oh my goodness, everything changed. I had to fill out a form that it's made in Canada, that I'm shipping it to USA, and it went on and on and on. So many questions. Oh well, what can you do? Okay, so I am going to do a tutorial, so stay tuned for that. Might be 1, 2, 3, because this is going to take me a while because I'm designing this as I go. So I started here, but it's too big. This part is too big, but we're not going to wear it like this. We're going to wear it like this. So it's going to be a V-neck. Can you see? Maybe I should have done it this way. I don't know. Let's see. So it's going to be a V-neck. So I did 30 double crochets. So I might do, I don't know, less than that. So this is how it's going to be designed. You can work this in different colors as you go, and it will give you a nice look as well. So when you flip it like this, this is how it's, you can make them poncho as well, but I'm working on the blouse. I'm gonna call this the puzzle blouse. This is on Pinterest since 2018. So this is not new. Whoever designed it, I don't know if there's a written pattern. I don't think so, because everyone's making their own. So, yeah, let's go. I need to work the numbers because this is too big, too open. So I just wanted to show you how it looks like so far before I start. This is just the introduction on how what am I up to. And I did, this is the wrong side, but that's okay. You got the idea. So this is how it's going to be. It's going to be a V-neck. You can use up the yarn in your stash. It's just I need to create the numbers because 30 double crochet, 60 chain is too long for one side. And when you do this, another 30, 60 chain, it's too much. And again, 60, 60, so 4 sides is 60 chain. That is too big, so I need to decrease that. I need to figure it out with measurements. As I say, I always work with measurements. And the yarn that I have used, it's this yarn. Okay, it's made in Canada, and I used I tried to use the 4mm crochet hook. Sorry, it's blurry. It doesn't focus for some reason. It should. So I used the 4, but it was too small. So I went on with the 4.5. Even I'm a tight crocheter, just to show you. So we need to decrease the numbers and decrease the yarn. So I am going to dig into my stash and see if I have thinner yarn that I can work this particular puzzle blouse that I am trying to figure out a tutorial, so I can share it with you, and then you can go from there. So it's going to be nice, but the colors did not go nice with this yarn. So maybe longer variegated yarn colors. Like this one was too short, I believe. See, it's too short. The color changings are too short. So it gave me this puzzle look. Like when you look at it, it's really hard to figure out what color it is. It's more like a purplish, but there's green in it. The greens are really hard to see. So that's what I'm up to. I am designing, making a tutorial so I can share it with you, how to crochet this beautiful blouse, puzzle blouse, and we'll go from there. You guys stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.